Do you own a pair of prescription eyeglasses and you have scratches on the lenses? Hi, this is Glenn with All American Eyeglass Repair. We've been in business for more than 30 years repairing the frame. But questions we get on almost a daily basis is, how do I get the scratches or nicks out of my lenses? I wish I had a magic potion for you. When that happens, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do that will permanently take these scratches out. You could alter your prescription or create blind spots. So the advice? First of all, go back to the optician and the establishment that you first went to, let them assess your situation and take it from there. If you've since moved, look up a local optometrist and optician, take them in, let them see what they need to do for you. We can actually work on the frame, not the lenses. So if you have a frame you bought online or a high-end frame from Silhouette, Marchand, Cazal, and the frame is broken, that's where we come into play. All American Eyeglass Repair, because you need to see now.